Hi everyone, I'm Bihan Chakraborty and today I'll be discussing about hash codes in Java. Okay, so I'm sure you have already seen this function before, hash code. Okay, so let's just go into this function, and as you can see, this function is present inside the object class here. Okay, so it's a function that returns integer. So what this does is that whenever we create an object, it creates a random, or it returns a random unique integer for us. Okay, so like here I have a class A which has a integer x inside it, and this is a constructor, very simple class, and I create two objects x and y here from class A. Now if I print the hash codes of x and y, we can see that, let me quickly run it. You can see random integers. Okay, so basically these are unique, so for every object this integer will be unique. So if I create another object that is like z, and if I print its hash code, it will never match these two hash codes. Okay, now one thing to note is that the hash code is not equal to the memory address, or like the address stored in RAM that we can access in using pointers in C and C++. That is not the case here. It is just a unique number that is, like you can see here, it uses a hashing algorithm and returns us with a unique number. Okay, the reason we don't get an address here is because Java runs in a virtual machine and we are not allowed to access the physical memory there. Okay, so that is the reason we don't have pointers in Java as well. So hash code is not equal to the memory address of that object. Now let's see how we can create our own hash code. So for this class, I'll override the hash code function. Okay, now it previously it was returning a unique integer. Now I'll return 100 for every object. So let me run it. As you can see, it's 100. So for every object I create from this class A, its hash code will be 100 now. Okay, so in this way we can implement any algorithm here that through which we can have our own hash codes here. Like writing 100 is meaningless here, but like we can implement any algorithm here, right? So that's it for hash codes here, and if you have any doubts, please comment down below. I'll create some more videos in depth for hash codes and equals of these classes. Okay, so that's it for today, and yeah, see you in the next video.